Hello friends and welcome to biology class. Today in this series of video we are going to see the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is very important process in nature because of photosynthesis process plant produce their own food and also oxygen. So that food and oxygen is very necessary products for other living. In the process of photosynthesis, plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. This process is carried out in the leaves. In the section of leaf contain palisade cells, mesophyll cells, guard cells, stoma. Inside plant cell, chloroplast is present where photosynthesis takes place. Let's understand what is the chloroplast and how it looks like. The chloroplast look like this. So it is look like a structure of stack of coins. One single coin is called thylakoid. Many thylakoid stack one another and form a bundle. That bundle is known as granum or grana. Different grana are connected with lamina, every organelle having fluid inside it. Similarly, chloroplast is also having fluid that is known as stroma. Chloroplast is having outer membrane and inner membrane. Now, let's come to understand what is actual photosynthesis. Synthesis of carbohydrates like glucose from inorganic material like carbon dioxide and H2O with the help of solar energy trapped by pigments like chlorophyll. Now this is the balance equation: 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O in the presence of light and chloroplast. It produces C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Now for the process, let's come on screen.
Thylakoid is portion where photosystem is carried out. This photosystem all those antenna pigment is found, especially chlorophyll. Light reaction takes place in lumen of thylakoid. How this total process takes place, let's see. If you look thylakoid membrane, antenna pigment is present which is complex. So there is one or two type of antenna pigment found in thylakoid membrane. We are looking two separate thylakoid membrane. First photosystem second and second photosystem first. It starts from light energy called photon. Photon hits to antenna pigment and it excited and they need electron to put into higher state. So here electron donated by water. It split into hydrogen and oxygen. Now oxygen is released out as a byproduct, but electron once transferred to first antenna pigment complex of photosystem second, then electron is transported to mobile electron carriers. In this case, plastoquinone transport electron from photosystem second to another complex which is transmembrane complex known as cytochrome B6F complex. Then this plastoquinone donate electron to cytochrome B6F complex. While donating electron, they also pass proton from inner space into lumen of thylakoid. In first step, some hydrogen is produced for split of the water, and second step we get hydrogen is coming in inside the lumen of thylakoid. Then electron is transferred photocyanin, which is another mobile electron carrier transporting electron from cytochrome B6F complex to photosystem first. And once electron is transferred photosystem 1, as we know photosystem 1 also carries antenna pigments complex. It will be excited light energy. Again electron is transferred photosystem 1 to another mobile carrier ferretoxin. Then ferretoxin transfer electron in NADP reductase, which is another membrane attached to complex. This NADP reductase then transfer this electron and reduce NADP to NADPH, and this is first important component of light reaction that required in Kelvin cycle. Then process of electron transport is complete. Through this pathway, first complex photosystem second and B6F complex, it takes some of protons in the thylakoid lumen, so there is proton density gradient from form between thylakoid lumen in inner membrane space. Now utilizing this proton density gradient, ATP synthesis complex that is embedded in the thylakoid membrane. Now proton transferred through this ATP synthesis complex and that rotated the rotor section of ATP synthase, and they combine ADP with inorganic phosphate to make ATP, and ATP most important component that will required for Kelvin cycle. After end of process we have NADPH and ATP to start process of Kelvin cycle.